Hi, it's boyy, and I'll be reviewing my sexy little airsoft handgun. And these are serious weapons, and I'm going to be showing you how to load and reload them, and basically how to handle them really. Okay, start off to load them. Well, to get the mag out, that's this. There's a little button here. I don't know if you can see it. And you slip that in here. There's the mag. You just press it and it comes out. And for the BB bullets, what you do, there's that little thing there. Put BB bullets in it and it holds 6 at a time. So yeah. And how to get them. All you need to do, pull this back until it clicks. And then you're ready to shoot. So now I'm going to be showing you the damage, what it can do. And there it is. Hole straight through. So right, that's it really. So you need to know how to use them. And just to be safe, don't shoot at any human or any animal. And that's all from BB Boy here. Peace out.